So, as you may all know, I get up at 8 o'clock on a weekday to get to work, which is literally in my living room for 8:30. So this is breakfast, which is Unken cherry flavoured yoghurt, I believe. It looks like that. Just a bit out of that pot. That pot will do me 3 days. And then I've got Waitrose almond, nut and honey granola out of that bag behind, and obviously that's what I have for breakfast. Just remember that this is 8 o'clock in the morning, because that will help with the batch cooking to work out times. So I actually filmed this last Wednesday, but it was 8 a.m. I just woke up and I turned on my slow cooker and put all this in together to make a spaghetti bolognese. This makes 6 portions for me, maybe a little bit more, but this is me making it, and I thought I'd include it because batch cooking is amazing when you are on your own. So I've just turned on the slow cooker, and in that I'm putting a slow cooker liner, which makes it so much easier to not have to wash anything up or much up at all. And I got them from Amazon. And then into that goes a tin of chopped tomatoes, which I'm putting in now. Then to that, I'm just filling that can up again with water, and I'm going to put that back into the slow cooker to add some more liquid to it. And you should put some tomato puree in now, but my mum forgot to tell me or give me that part, so we're going without it in mine, but you should put some tomato puree in, just like a tablespoon worth. And then to mine, I'm adding in my beef mince from the butcher's, but you can obviously use any mince you want: turkey mince, chicken mince, lentils, corn, whatever you want. It will work the same, but for me, I've just got normal bolognese today, so beef. And that is, I think that was about £2 worth, and that obviously makes 6 dinners plus. So that I'm just going to use a wooden spoon and mush that into the sauce, just it's broken up a little bit more. And you can see I've got my knife and chopping board ready, because I then am going to chop up a whole courgette, a whole carrot and a whole onion to put in with my spaghetti bolognese, or bolognese at the moment, in with the mince and tomato. So that's what I'm going to cut up now, and I'm just going to cut it up and into the smallest pieces I can do, which isn't very big, isn't very small even, because I'm the worst at this, but there we go, it will do. And I cut them up, put it in with the mince. This is completely optional to how much liquid you already have in there, but I felt that I needed another can full, but I think I only used 2/3 of a can, so just be mindful of that, because it'll all shrink down anyway when it's cooking, because obviously I'm cooking this only over the morning, whereas over the whole day, so I'm just putting that in. And then I will put some seasoning in now, which was oregano, garlic, salt and pepper, I believe is what I put in. A quick little stir, put the lid on and turn it on to high. It's 8:10 now. I forgot to film this because I was on the phone to the estate agent, but like about every hour I have stirred that from 8 o'clock. It is now, well, at 11:45 I poured in the whole lot of pasta, like a whole bag, because it's going to not just do me one meal, obviously, it's going to do me a lot. And it is 12:25 now. Just tried the pasta. It's slightly too undone to eat, excuse me, so I'm just going to leave it for a bit longer. It's still on high. It was on low for the last 10 minutes. I've just put it back on high just to cook the pasta more, and then we'll obviously split it up. But yeah, I just poured the pasta in the top and mixed it in, and stirred it every hour. I just tried a bit of the pasta and it's still hard. It's not fully cooked, basically. Now this is done, we just turn it off. Obviously you can keep it warm if you've still got things to do or whatnot, and then we're going to just separate it out. So one for my plate, then I've got 5 bowls. I just need to get 1 out of here, 2 out of here. So you can see that I've took out the dish, put it on this mat, and then I've just got these. I've got cheese for my dinner today, and the rest will go in these pots. Because it's ready. Right, then I'll leave these to cool down. There's nothing left in that. This is a complete and utter mess where I've just got it everywhere, so let me just wipe the side down. There is lunch. I love to start the afternoon off with a cup of ice cream, and today's is Carte d'Or mint chocolate chip, because Marks and Spencer's had run out basically, so this is what I'm having. My 4 PM kind of snack, because I've just needed some sugar, I guess, I think that was 5 or 6 Percy Pigs. Percy Pigs are my favourite sweets of all time. Honestly, I was too full at lunchtime to even have the ice cream and the Percy Pigs, but by tea I still was not hungry. Things happened in this day that I can't really talk about, but this is a Marks and Spencer's lemon fall. My god, these are amazing, like mousse kinds of lemon falls, beautiful. And I just had one of these around 6:30 time because I felt like it. To end the day with my evening snack, I'm having a packet of Marks and Spencer's cheese and onion flavoured crisps.